So how do we compute the percentage tax due sa ating mga Shopee sellers? So first, generate your income statement. So here we have an example sa inyong income statement. And isa-isa natin line by line. So first is the product price paid by buyer. This is your gross sales. So next items, ito mga shipping fee, third-party logistics, shipping fee. This will not be included in your gross sales. And this will form part of your expenses if ever there were some shipping fees that were shouldered by the seller. In most cases, wala yan. So next is the refund amount. So this will be your sales returns. And next items, ito mga commission fee, service fee, and transaction fees. These are all platform fees, and this will form part of your expenses if ever you will claim itemized deductions. So next is how do we compute? So gross sales less the sales returns, that will give us the net sales, and multiply it by the percentage tax rate of 3%, and that will give you the percentage tax due for the quarter. So we'll just go for the PT010. And again, yung taxable amount, kinumpute natin kanina, that is the net sales. So that would be the gross sales ninyo, receipts, less yung mga sales returns, allowances, and discounts. So yung sa example natin kay Shopee kanina, we got the figure yung 373,913. So, ayan, click nyo. So, ayan, automatic na siya nag-compute. Yung tax due natin is 11,217.39. So, yun, ganun lang kabilis, kadali yung pag-fill out ng quarterly percentage tax. And if you will go back to the page 1, yan yung mga details dyan, andyan na. Total tax due, 11,217.39. Ayan, if there are mga applicable pa dito, but in most cases, 0 na dito yung ilalagay natin. Ayan, overpayment, wala naman. So, ito yung due natin for the fourth quarter of 2024 for the percentage tax is 11,217.39. So, i-save natin. And then, let's validate if complete ba yung mga details na na-input natin. Validate. Ayan, validation successful. Click on edit if you wish to modify your entry. So, ganun lang kabilis, ganun lang kadali yung pag-fill out ng quarterly percentage tax. So, pagkatapos nun, if you can print it, so you will have a copy nito. And then next is you will submit. You will submit. Click yung submit. Ayan, ensure you have internet, and are you sure you want to submit? Click nyo lang yung OK. And if successful, mag-i-email naman yung BIR ng confirmation receipt, and then you can proceed with the payment na. You can